Hi. In the past few days, I've been trying to test my strategy and trying to make a habit of following a system. However, I do feel that this is a very tedious and time-consuming process. Well, making a habit is obviously a time-consuming, so that will anyway take time. However, why should the testing of strategy be a time-consuming process? Actually, I had been trying to learn Python for the last 1.5 month in bits and pieces, and I do have got a little bit hang of it. Then I also tried putting all the data in Excel and trying to see whether it works fine or not, and whether I'm able to put up a strategy, build a logic for this, and check out if it's coming correct or not. And so I've been for yesterday and today also, and actually for past few days also, I've been trying to put this up in Excel, and then try to see if things are going, if I can build the strategy what I have in mind and test if it works correctly or not. I tried putting up in Python, but then it gives very weird results. Keeps on giving me negative, 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 and it does not. It just flips up, skips many signals. So Python does not. Python actually the backtester does not do well. I could not find any good backtesting software, whether it be backtester or backtesting.py or anything else. Most of the things just keep on throwing some arguments and throwing some issues which I don't understand. So I did not follow up much on that. Then I moved on to Excel. Luckily, if you go to Zerodha gives all this tabular form, all the data that you put up on chart, whatever chart you pull up, you could get in tabular form. So that data I downloaded in Excel, all this data, and then I started putting up all my signals of all my logic of what I wanted to do, and finally then afterwards I did get that, and I made a data of my algo which I wanted to make, and this is how it looks. So these were the parameters. I started off with a cache of 15,000, and start time was 9:30 to end time was 2:30. End time in the sense that you would take entry only until 2:30. Exit can be since it's intraday strategy, it will be at 3:15 or earlier, with a stop loss of 0.5%, target of 1%. So this is how it comes out, and this is with my charges. MTM with charges. So if I put up a charges also, I get something around 907 rupees in 64 days. It started off on 1st Feb, and it went into drawdown, and over here again it came back on 8th Feb, again went into negative, then again came back positive on 22nd Feb. Then from 1st March onwards, it has remained positive. So practically for the first month, it was like up and down, positive, negative, and then it has remained positive. The strategy got stabilized, and it has yielded until 5th April, Saturday. It has yielded me a profit of 907 rupees. So on in 64 days I get something around 6%. Annualized I get 34.5%. This is how the graph looks like. It starts from 15,000, goes down, again comes back, goes down, comes up, down, and then it finally goes up. We have a good one, and then it goes up and it's going up. So let's see now how it goes given going further. So hopefully now I will continue this and see how it goes. I'll try to emulate and copy this in my trading, actual trading, and also going forward, I'll see how can I automate this Excel data. And once I get the entry signal like this, buy or sell, I would like to pull this up into Python and then make an automated program by which it would, it would give throw up the signals on Python, and then I would automate it, connect it with the API to my broker account, and then see. So I'll have to learn how to first link Python with Excel and get the data in both directions. That is from my broker account to Excel via Python, and then again from Excel, once the signal is generated, it should go via Python and API to the broker account. So I'll have to learn something for that. So until I learn and get that, I'll have to do it manually. So as such, it has turned out so to be good. So hopefully, come on now, like maybe another month or two, if I can learn that, then it would turn out to be very good. Until then, I'll try to build my habit of following this system, and I'll try to follow this subsystem. So all the best and enjoy everybody. Happy trading. Bye.